How's it going, YouTube? So today is the day that I make it official. The Jeep is getting a name tape. It's custom made decal from pixeldecal.com. I'll put a link in the description below. They are custom made, so the lead time for them is about 2 to 3 weeks. If you do order them, expect to wait that long, but they are worth the wait. These things look pretty awesome and I can't wait to get them on the Jeep. So first things first, in order to put them on, you need to have a clean Jeep. Well, if you're anything like me, you take it off-road, it gets dirty, it gets dusty. So, you gotta clean it. So right now, let's go ahead and start spraying off the hood of the Jeep. That way we can get these decals on there for you. So as you can see, I got the hood of the Jeep cleaned off. I got all the dust and dirt and road grime that has been on there for the past 3 months of wheeling. So now it's time to put the stickers on. Before you get started, you are going to need a few things. You're going to need some scissors and some tape. Now you'll understand why in a little while, as well as something, normally a credit card, in order to press the decals flat onto the hood. That way you get a good seal, you can work out all the air bubbles. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that we have the hood cleaned off and dried, we're going to get rid of any residual grease, fingerprints, anything that's going to interfere with the decal actually adhering to the Jeep. So one of the best ways to actually do that is glass cleaner. We're just going to spray it on there. Make sure you have a clean cloth. And wipe it down. Alright, another thing that you're going to want to do is actually measure. So from the hood, the end of the hood here, all the way to the actual hood latch is about 33 inches. Now I measured out the decal, and the decal is about 23 inches, meaning you got 10 inches of play. So we're going to measure from one end in about 5 inches. That way we can get the actual decal centered. Go ahead and get some tape ready. And tape it down, that way it doesn't move. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other end. And you want to make sure you get it straight, or where you're happy with it. So once you have it actually centered, you're going to follow the actual slant of the hood where you want it. And I think that looks pretty good where it is. So the next thing that we're going to do, we're actually going to put one more piece of tape in the middle. This is going to act like a hinge point, and you'll see why. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. We're going to take off one end, the tape, we're going to start peeling back. Alright, got one side done. We are going to move a piece of tape. And we're going to work on the other side right here. Make sure it's good and flat and straight. And then you're going to take your straight edge, just work from the middle out, making sure that there are no air bubbles. And then you're going to carefully peel back the top adhesive. And with your finger, if you see any air bubbles, like small bubbles, try to get those out as best as you can. Now it does say that after a couple days, a lot of the small air bubbles will work themselves out. So just as long as there's no big air bubbles, you should be good. And there you have it. Now we're just going to do this again on the other side, and we'll have a finished product. These hood decals look absolutely amazing in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, I'm currently at 46 subscribers. When I hit 75 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway for a free set of these hood decals. Here's what you have to do to enter. If you're not already subscribing, hit that subscribe button below. Leave a comment with the name of your Jeep, and like this video as well as share it. Once I hit 75 subscribers, I will pick a winner randomly from the comments below, and I will send you a decal with the name of your Jeep on it. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.